Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'd like to advise you on our Olivia model, shown here in a 5-foot king-size version, but available in any size. We manufacture this bed ourselves and sell directly, therefore giving you a real saving. The Olivia mattress has a medium firm feel with our posture-zoned spring unit with reinforced edge support, increasing the sleeping surface of the mattress. Multiple layers of hypoallergenic fillings are layered on top of the spring unit. These give the medium firm feel to the top of the mattress. The mattress surface is made from our unique soft-touch knitted fabric, allowing moisture release in the mattress, giving the perfect solution for a cool, dry sleep. The border of the mattress has flag stitch turning handles, making it easy to turn and prolong its life. We also fit air vents to allow for the escape of moisture throughout the day, keeping the mattress fresh all year round.